Blue sky. Sige, right. 3, 2, 1.
Yo, listen, this guy has T8 ox hunting.
Come east. Ayaw mo dalawang ability. Look, plug north. Come east. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Look. This guy's a bird, by the way. Wait, come east, left side. Come, go uphill. Uphill. Hold on.
They're aiming their mid line, okay? Their front line is a bit... Oh, they're planting a hideout.
Just hold. I'm gonna change your air compress. Okay, come northwest. Come my side. Can you catch? Loadie. Look, guys, mount. Everyone mount. Mount for now, mount.
Running sila. Trying to mount up. May mga healer ako naka-cheat on if. By the wall, southwest.
Asan ka? Come south. Anong meron sa blob na yun?
They're mounted here. They have a T8 ox.
Okay, bash.
Patayin nyo
Keep your mounts ready. Keep your mounts ready beside you. Okay.
14 DA sentinels, ha?
Ano na yan?
Look. Can I have one person ready to catch northwest?
KOTR.
Penalty, hindi siya ako.
Kaya natin lahat lift.
Okay, catch northwest. Catch, katama go. Catch him. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch more. Finish the kill here. Come north. Come southeast. Look at this guy.
RBO west.
Kill him to the west. Wait, hold your E. PW. Careful in their back line, okay? These guys are full brawl. Come northwest. Kill this guy. Wait, PW. Come southeast. Do we have glove penas?
Enable pa kami dito, northwest. Care.
Come north. Mount up. Go to the northwest, sa alis natin. Come northwest.
Hindi na tinatawan na.
Okay. Come. We're going to
Ramping east. Papayapok
Come east.
Yung the Alliance level, no D8. Ito pa north na yan.
Look, try to catch this. Catch this mount, catch behind.
Saan kayo?
Anything.
2 seconds ako. Pati na. Marami na mawawa ka.
I know. Noob trap na yun, no? Please catch anything, force the fight.
There's so many wolf men.
Pistol ba,
Okay,
pre?
go north.
Dismounted here na for
I to catch them. IV.
Full damage yung W, what the fuck?
Hindi yan. Ano yung north ka na to? We're gonna go there after nung kill.
This is
Please don't forget na
Wala tatamag tayo ng HRL if may naka-ops.
Mount up.
I think this is the color left. How minutes? Where?
Okay, what color? Okay, I see him now. Walk north. Really aggressive this time, okay? Yes. Oh, nice. Catch.
Could be secondary, nag-ace code eh.
Sige.
5E.
Wait, nice Dixie.
Mo.
Nice, come on. Force the fight here. Wait. You can hold him. GA anything. Wait on this guy. 5, 4, 3, 1. He heard. Nice. Keep walking north.
Hey, catch this guy.
Yeah, catch anyone. Force anything. Catch anyone.
Meron may iwan,
Sige lang. Go. Itong northwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Walang zone. Mamate. Walang zone, walang shield.
I-buff mo. Please buff mo. Purity.
Nagipat.
Okay. Zone through. Kill this guy.
Papunta dyan yung race.
No bubble. Tama ba? Or meron? May bubble pero...
Kill, come northwest. It's okay. Play with me. Look, catch any race. Catch kayo. They wanna fight. Come north. Actually, push to north.
Hindi
We have to go to the wooden bridge. Okay? Push north. Wait. Look. Pass through a bit. Look south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Okay, sige. Mark shoes. Mark. Look, they're full brawl. You can use your geek pads here. Mark. Play the bridges. Play the bridge. Play the bridge.
Copy.
Come southeast now. Look. You see this guy, outkeeper inside? Wait, after the shield, okay? Wait, can you hold him? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, he had full defensive. Come southwest. Go back to the bridge again. Yeah. They're gonna dive our healers, okay? Ready to protect our healers. Come north, it's okay. Hey, look, the second bridge for now. Just cross the bridge. Cross the bridge. Pop your geek. Everyone, full geek now. Full heal. Cross the bridge. Hold at the other side of the bridge. Go hold at the other side of the bridge. Wait. Hold the other side of the bridge. Northwest, okay. Sweet. We're gonna look inside. Northwest. 5, 4, 3. Hold them. 1. Hold back that shit. Hold the bridge. Silence paddle the bridge.
RTB is coming
We're gonna
here.
go to the bridge.
Left and right.
Yeah, I know. Just play around here. Spread. Look. Wait. Go to the bridge again. Pass through the bridge again. Switch position. Wait, we're gonna fall in the north. Northwest. This on the choke. Look, northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Okay, we do go southeast and hold southeast side of the bridge, okay? Play around here, choke. Silence by the choke. We're better than them, guys.
They're not pushing.
Now we push. We're so strong. Push. Okay. Hindi naman yan. Come northwest. Hold them more. May J ba tayo? Wait. May J. Okay. Come northwest. Look. West.
Starting west.
Come north. They're pulling us out. Come southeast. Look at the inside. Come southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Okay, play the bridge again. Go southeast. Play the bridge.
Let
Okay. Nice. Go southeast. Look, I'm gonna guardian armor you.
From your healer now.
Use your boot southeast. Let's go to the bridge.
10 seconds.
Okay. Wait. Look inside. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Okay, wait. Okay, nice BL. Come southeast to the bridge. Look, if you have boots, boot southeast. If you have boots, go southeast. If you have boots, boot southeast. Okay.
Looking.
Please shooting the bill. Please play around this bridge, okay? Wait,
You lost two.
Ninja port. Look west. Okay. Resume trigger. Come west. Wait, can someone set up for me? Any snare charge? Wait.